Let's see how we can split our cell phone screen in iOS 18. So actually Apple really didn't think about this feature. So for look at this, if you go, if you know you can use your up screen separately. Let's say I can search something different, whatever is it. Look, this is working, and let's say on the other screen I can search anything else. It's working. So how I made this split screen, let's see. So actually, as I said, Apple didn't think about the split screen. So but you need to download the one application which called split screen. If you just go into the App Store, and it's called split it, and you'll find this one, and when you open it, it will give you that split screen, and you can just press and hold and you can make bigger and smaller. Thumbs up if you like that video. See you in the next video.